Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The mother of 9-year-old Amoya Moore, who was fatally hit by a garbage truck in Crosskeys, Manchester on December 9, 2025, is insisting on getting justice for her child's death. Samantha Biggs was addressing a packed Church of God of Prophecy on Friday as relatives, friends, teachers and students paid tribute to the 4th grade Villa Road Primary School student.
The nightmares, they're consistent. It's been hard waking up and realizing that my wife, my baby is no longer there. I cannot hear her laughter. I cannot hear her cheery spirit in the morning. She's no longer there. Moving on without her, it feels unfair.
She was respectful. She was diligent. She was loved by all, whether at school, in the community, or even just traversing the roadways to school. And I have taken on the task to establish in her memory a scholarship for a grade 4 student who exudes her characteristics. And there are stakeholders already who are willing to partner and to fund so that we keep her memory alive.
Police say little Amoya was not far from home and was heading to school when she was fatally struck. She was reportedly exiting Bonita Heights onto Bonita Crescent at the time, or rather at the same time, the garbage truck was leaving the area. Investigators say the driver was not charged because alleged eyewitnesses failed to give formal reports on the incident.